शब्दच विझवतात शब्दांनी पेटलेल्या माणसांची आग. शब्द नसते तर पडल्या नसत्या आगीच्या ठिणग्या, वाहिले नसते आसवांचे महापूर, आले नसते जवळ कुणी, गेले नसते दूर. शब्द नसते तर तेच
मनाच्या गाभाऱ्यातून हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. नमो. की आपण यांचा सत्कार करायचा नाही, यांच्याशी काही बोलायचं नाही असं काही ठरवलं. पण बुद्ध जेव्हा त्यांच्या जवळ जातात तेव्हा मात्र त्यांच्यावर बुद्धाच्या विचारांचा म्हणण्यापेक्षा त्यांच्या एकंदरीत त्यांचं जे त्यांचा चेहरा आणि त्यांचं जे एकंदरीत जे व्यक्तिमत्व आहे त्या व्यक्तिमत्वाचा त्यांच्यावर प्रभाव पडतो.
Have to be very, very vigilant. Doctors, both the parents, if they are doctors, their children are seeing how their parents are busy in their practice. So probably we might not be able to give time to our children. That's सध्या doctors ज्या परिस्थितीमधनं जातात आहेत, that is very, very I mean alarming situation. I can see that I was reading somewhere there were litigations which are increasing against the doctors, and they have increased 10 times, tenfold litigations as far as the doctor profession is concerned. These who have done a great achievement in 10th and 12th. Similar felicitation I was being invited last time in IMA. That time today, as Chandrasekhar Meshram sir was asking awardees what they want to do, most of them they said that they want to appear for NEET. Similar function I was giving prizes few days back in IMA, where their awards were felicitated. Most of them were saying that they want to go for IT. I mean, the sons and daughters of the parents of whom both of them are doctors. Why this paradigm shift is there? It's really a thing where we have to be very much concerned about it. आजच्या